Now we're going to talk about specialized bases for manual wheelchairs. So some of the specialized bases include strollers, transport, use by older adults or older clients, and bariatric clients. So the strollers are there's two sizes. There's an umbrella folding with a sling seat, or there's full-size units with solid seats. So originally designed for children, they're now strollers to accommodate consumers who weigh up to 200 pounds. So it doesn't provide good seating support, but it folds easily for storage in a vehicle. Consumers who use strollers should not be transported in them unless it's been crash tested, which is a standard made by the USA. So one reason why this feature and why this particular wheelchair is appealing is that it can make it easier for short distances. It's also easily maneuverable by an attendant. Next, the transport wheelchairs are just common wheelchairs for occasional use. You will see them in hospitals, airports, shopping malls. They are no adjustability. They are lightweight and durable, pretty much maintenance free. So wheelchairs for older clients. So the setup's going to be a little bit different of a young, more active user, and older clients just pretty much is just going to be a lot more regular, no fancy stuff. So you're going to have age-related disabilities such as arthritis, osteoporosis, sarcopenia, which is going to contribute to reduced muscle strength and range of motion. So they might feel less comfortable in their movements, which they're going to want more of a secured wheelchair. So next we have wheelchairs for bariatric clients, so those who have a BMI of 30 or greater, which is okay by US standards. So these individuals require frames that are designed to accommodate their weight and their larger size. Most typical wheelchairs have a maximum of 300 pounds. So bariatric wheelchairs accommodate a max weight of 600, with some manufacturers that actually offer up to 1,000 pounds. So the location of the mechanisms for the powered wheelchairs are beneath the seat and things as such. So now we have specialized bases for powered wheelchairs. So we have custom powered wheelchairs, which is they have the Attitude and the Latitude systems, which they both provide power options to enable independent transfers. So in the next slide, you will see both the Attitude and the Latitude. The Attitude has a foot platform that lowers to the ground, then rises up to seat height, allowing the individual to transfer independently. So to transfer into the chair, the foot platform lowered, and then the user's transfers on there, raises to the seat, transfers to the seat. Latitude system is similar, but it takes the entire seat forward down to the floor. So next you have scooters, which are little scooters that you can ride around. Most of them you see at grocery stores and things as such, but people actually do use them in real life. They are used outside of the home, but mainly this is used in places that they need more maneuverability. They are good in small spaces. They're easy to use. So it provides less of the complicatedness of all the other types of powered wheelchairs. So then you have power assist mechanisms, which are you can propel the wheelchair manually but for the powered wheelchair, you don't have a push rim activated power assist. So these wheels can be interchangeable with the manual wheel. So the motor is located in the wheel drive. So it's essentially big wheels in a small little chair, and you sit in. So it's usually used for like daily activities, and it's suggested for people that are comfortable in a wheelchair. So you will also see that in the next slide.